Pythonic way to check if a list is sorted or not. Is there a Pythonic way to check if a list is already sorted in ASC or DESC? Something like is timestamps.isSorted that returns true or false. I want to input a list of timestamps for some messages and check if the transactions appeared in the correct order.
Here is a one-liner. If using Python 2, use range instead of range. For reverse equals true, use is greater than or equal to instead of lower or equal than. I would just use. Unless it's a very big list, in which case you might want to create a custom function. If you are just going to sort it if it's not sorted, then forget the check and sort it. And don't think about it too much. If you want a custom function, you can do something like this will be on if the list is already sorted though, and on in a for loop at that, so, unless you expect it to be not sorted, and fairly random, most of the time, I would, again, just sort the list.
This iterator form is 10 to 15% faster than using integer indexing.
A beautiful way to implement this is to use the IMAP function from itertools. This implementation is fast and works on any iterables.
I do this, stealing from a lot of answers here, Aaron Sterling, Wei Yip Tung, sort of from Paul McGuire, and mostly Armin Ronacher. One nice thing, you don't have to realize the second iterable for the series, unlike with a list slice.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.